What's going on, Rico Cap family and traders? We're back again on Sunday, and I'm doing a charting video for you. We're looking for the next high conviction setup. If you haven't seen my other videos where I charted for you and played the stock out, go check it out right now. I have a playlist kind of full of it so far and kind of getting more to you. But right now, I'm looking for the next victim for this week. So I'm looking around my watch list right now. First thing I do when I'm kind of looking for things are things kind of outside of supply maybe? Are they holding a demand? Are we seeing things at a pretty big level, 225 for Apple right there? Are we looking at gap fills? Are we holding zones? Amazon looks pretty good. I like this, and it could work, but I'm looking for something a little bit more substantial. I like Amazon, sure. I love playing Amazon, but I'm looking for something that has a gap, something like this, right? Kind of a lingering gap above or below. Contracts need to make sense, but that's pretty much it. And I'm finding a lot of success doing just that. So that's what I'm looking for here. Okay, hold on. Google has a pretty decent gap. One of my main golden rules is I don't short Google. Sometimes I do, and half the time it works out, half the time it doesn't. I like calls on Google only. So anytime I can kind of play upside for Google, then I'm definitely taking it. So I think I kind of like this. Look how Google's kind of sidewaysing here. We're kind of holding a few levels, but we do have a gap up here. So it looks like we had a big gap and we're kind of eating it. And it looks like we could probably finish it next week. Run at least to 265, 266 right there, and then maybe 267. Let's check it out though. So I'm gonna go ahead and chart it. Looking at it, first thing I'm gonna do is kind of draw the gap for it. So let's get that going. Looks like 60504 where it starts up again, and then around 166. Yeah, I like that. Maybe a little less. Has another one up here, so all the more reason. Looks pretty good. I know I have already kind of some of these levels already placed, so it's not completely naked, but I'll kind of show y'all, exactly what I'm looking for. So just drawing a level there on the 15. See how these two kind of met up right there. Just throwing it right there where the body's at. I already had this yellow trend line kind of showing y'all that it's on an uptrend, so and it's squeezing. Another thing is I'm kind of noticing from the top here all the way to right here, you can kind of see it's flagging right here. So very good if we break above here and go above there. Say we break this, come back down, and then shoot up in there. That's kind of what we're looking for. Not saying it's going to happen Monday, but kind of what we're looking for as far as getting above it. And then other than that, let's see on maybe the hourly again. Hourly, we're looking for kind of upside targets. I know the 167 and then probably the 169, so I already have those zones kind of already there. But all we're eyeing here is if above 164.26 right there should run to 166. So easily, $2 move right there, $2 move on Google contracts, especially if we get the 167s. Or we can slam the 165 since we're kind of close to it already, but we can go 167s, and they'll probably price it around maybe $70 if we get it, and then it running up to almost in the money. Those will be 150 plus. So I think pretty safe that we can pull 100% on a move like this, or maybe a little less. Regardless, one thing we're looking for on these setups are guarantees. We're looking for 100% win rate. I don't care if it's 100%, 200%, 300%, or just 50%, or 25, 30%. I don't care. What I do care is if we're making money and being right about it, right? I'm looking for high probability setups. So this is exactly kind of, falling into our plans right here. So really basic, really, already have some of these levels already down. So very basic. I see the gap, already a main level right here, 164.26, and I'm pretty confident that above that we should eat the gap up to 166, and very easy. So That's exactly what I'm looking for right here on Google. Love the contracts, love the way this moves, loves the upside for Google. So this one should be an easy setup for sure, right? So if this is kind of what you're trying to learn, traders, I want you guys to keep it so simple, right? If we get a hourly candle above this 164.26 or 15 minutes, so let's go on the 15 real quick. How many 15-minute candles got above here kind of in the past few days, right? So this one opened up, got into the gap, but reversed. So that tells me there's liquidity up there. Not saying it's invalidated, it's just liquidity. It could have been the market too, right? Google looked like it's priming to go, but the market maybe had pulled back. So let's see. And that was, what day was that? That was that was Friday. So if we're looking at, we opened up down, we kind of pushed up and then kind of faded. So I wouldn't be too concerned. SPY a little bit stronger. I would say QQQ kind of runs Google a little bit more. So other than that, no other really big 15-minute candles got above there. Now if we look at the hourly should give us the move. No real hourlies opened up officially above this levels. If it does, we're easily shooting up and eating that. So that's the difference between spotting a failed breakout and your actual move. A higher time frame candle above your trigger level. So 164.26 is our trigger level. If we get above that on a 15, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, whatever, as long as it's above 15 or more, we should be all good to go. So I'll keep you all updated on how this trade goes. This will be something I'm looking to play. So keep y'all updated, and let me put a little alert up here as the official out of the whole play. I always like that. Let me know when it's there so I can be all out. Usually we get a sharp reverse at the end of a gap. So we'll see. There was some very big movement there when the market was all kind of weak on Friday. Big movement there for Google pushing up, and I noticed it. So I was looking to play this Friday, but I didn't trust upside because of everything else. So of course, no shocker, it reversed. So it should play out Monday or Tuesday, and I'm ready. So hopefully this video helped you out. Give a like, comment, subscribe, tap in, ask any questions, whatever you need. I'm here for you, and I'll see you on the next video.